In the last video, we looked at the first 5 detox juice recipes. Today, we are going to talk about the remaining 5 recipes, their ingredients and instructions on how to make them. Sit back, relax, learn and later do it by yourself. Number 6. Green Spinach Lemonade. This popular detox drink gives you tons of energy, and is really good for you, too. You may want to add a little honey if you like it sweeter, but I would taste it first. Kale is really high in nutrients and very low in calories, which makes it one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. It's ideal when trying to boost nutrition on a green juice cleanse. Green Spinach Lemonade Recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 2 stalks celery, 4 leaves kale, 1 piece ginger, 2 apples, 1 lemon. This tart green juice can be made sweeter with another apple, or with a small bit of honey. Wash all the weight loss juice ingredients well and pat dry. Cut fruit and vegetables into 1 to 2 inch chunks. Remove any peels. Place all ingredients in a juicer. Process into juice according to manufacturer's directions. Number 7. Allergy-fighting green detox juice. If you suffer from seasonal allergies, you should try this delicious detox juice recipe. It has allergy-fighting vitamin C-rich fruits and vegetables like pineapple, lemon and grapes. Parsley is a good source of vitamin K and vitamin C as well as vitamin A, folate and iron, making this one of the best juice for weight loss and overall health. We love detox juice recipes that help in other areas. In this case, the detox juices help fight allergies. Bonus: allergy-fighting green detox juice recipe. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, 1 cup pineapple, 1 lemon, 1 cup seedless grapes, 1/2 cup parsley, 1 apple, 1 mint sprig optional. Instructions: wash all the weight loss juice ingredients well and pat dry. Cut fruit and vegetables into 1 to 2 inch chunks. Remove any peels. Place all ingredients in a juicer. Process into juice according to manufacturer's directions. Number 8. Orange Dreamsicle Detox Juice. This detox juice is creamy and delicious, just like the old orange creamsicle ice cream bars you remember eating when you were a kid. You can even freeze these in popsicle molds for a great frozen treat. Pears are a good source of several essential nutrients, such as vitamin K, vitamin C, copper and potassium, making this weight loss juice recipe great after a workout. Orange Dreamsicle Detox Juice Recipe. Ingredients: 2 medium apples, 3 stalks celery, 1 orange peeled, 2 medium pears, 1 sweet potato 5-inch long cooked and peeled. Instructions: wash all the weight loss juice ingredients well and pat dry. Cut fruit and vegetables into 1 to 2 inch chunks. Remove any peels. Place all ingredients in a juicer. Process into juice according to manufacturer's directions. Number 9. Easy Start Detox Juice. This makes a good beginner detox juice recipe for those just starting out with juicing, thanks to its simple ingredients and delicious flavors that aren't overwhelming. Carrots have a lot of health benefits. They are a good ingredient when juicing for weight loss and have been linked to lower cholesterol levels and improved eye health. Ingredients: 2 medium apples, 3 medium carrots, 4 celery stalks. Instructions: wash all the weight loss juice ingredients well and pat dry. Cut fruit and vegetables into 1 to 2 inch chunks. Remove any peels. Place all ingredients in a juicer. Process into juice according to manufacturer's directions. Number 10. Green Ginger Ale Weight Loss Juice. This is my go-to recipe, especially when I'm having tummy issues. The taste is amazing, and it's full of nutrients thanks to the variety of ingredients. Ginger is a wonderful spice. Just 1 to 1.5 grams of ginger can help prevent various types of nausea like seasickness, chemotherapy nausea, nausea after surgery and morning sickness. We love weight loss juice recipes that do more than aid in weight loss. This tummy-calming green juice is great for days that you don't feel so great. Green Ginger Ale Weight Loss Juice Recipe. Ingredients: 3 medium apples, 2 stalks celery, 1 cup spinach, 1 cucumber, 1 piece ginger root 1 inch diameter, 1 lime peeled. Instructions. Wash all the weight loss juice ingredients well and pat dry. Cut fruit and vegetables into 1 to 2 inch chunks. Remove any peels. Place all ingredients in a juicer. Process into juice according to manufacturer's directions. So there you have it, we have covered all the 10 detox juice recipes for weight loss. Be sure to subscribe to Healthline Matters so you do not miss any of our weekly video tips and secrets to improve your health, fitness and lifestyle. Your Healthline Matters, thank you for watching.